guys, it's Qoheleth with Imagineyourgoddess. Here with a couple of box openings for Weiss Schwarz. I got a couple of fate boxes, so I'm just going to crack these open.
Money, dude. I'm basically in the same situation as you.
Okay, see ya.
I don't need cards.
I've already opened one box off camera. I got some decent pulls. And then there was another box that we had a tournament, and got all the double rares out of that, so it was pretty good. There's a promo. Let's get started.
How much is God? Like, monetary value.
I'm terrible at this.
One of my teammates made it up, yeah.
Alright, so I'm just going to go through the rares and the climaxes. So there's those.
It's hilarious.
Maybe add $1.
Alright, farewell to Rin.
If you would give me a set of those plus some extra,
And then Supreme Wine Archer.
I'd trade it to you.
Plus what?
Like plus some extras, like maybe from the trial deck. Or give me so many trial decks, I'll leave that too.
Bond between King and his retainer. And the grade 3 Kire.
Shitty card.
It is not that great. But it's the only one to play blue. So
But blue sucks.
blue is not very good for Fate. No. Origin Shot. And then the double R waiver. He's not bad. He's not amazing.
Shake the table.
Excalibur.
Rare on that table.
And the regular rare Lancer.
Tire booster right there.
How much is the dough right now?
That's a hollow nomad as a rare, so I don't think so.
I'll try to
That's
use
on eBay, dude. And on his
Frank of
store,
Fate.
Richard.
And then the regular rare level 1 reverser. He's fucking awesome.
You gotta take 45. So, good trade, they'll probably have to do 50. We're doing trade here.
Yes, you do.
Frank of Fate as well. And then the double R Saber. She's alright. She's my second one. I'm probably going to build a deck around her, but she's not the best.
So, how many trial decks should we ESP down? Plus the
There's a second Excalibur.
playset.
And then the regular R Kire.
Yeah, man,
He's a weird level 1 reverser or level 0 reverser, but he's better because he sends it to stock and then replaces the stock for your opponent. So I like him a lot. There's a climax rare, Sign of Divination, and then the regular rare Lancer backup. I think I've only gone through 2 double R's, the green and the yellow, so I got 2 more. I'm filming.
He's in the middle of a video. What? He's in the middle of a video.
Just climax, and then there's the regular rare caster. He's alright, not amazing, not terrible. Then again, not much in Fate is amazing, but I really hope we get Stay Night soon. There's no one of those. And then the beautiful King of Knights Saber, she's pretty good.
Fine.
Plus the playset of money.
Sort of be it.
I'm not buying.
And then the double R Kire, my first one of those. Fate's got some weird ratios, so I'm actually glad I was able to pick him up. Okay, so one more double R, one more hollow / sign. The double R that I still need is hopefully red, so hopefully it'll be an archer. That's a regular rare, so a climax rare and a regular rare. He's pretty good.
It's pristine shit, dude. As soon as I got home, I went.
What is it? Oh, the dope?
Yeah.
I'll give you a seat back later.
Knife or something sharp?
No.
Something sharp and pokey.
Got Derek.
Oh, I got my key, dude.
And then the regular ruler of Macedonia, Ryder. He's pretty good as well. I like him.
Dude. Just use keys. Well, they have scissors up there.
Another guy, Derek.
I'm gonna write this down. So
Oh, there's my secret rare. Supreme Wine Archer. He's pretty cool looking. He's a hollow. He's not the one exactly I wanted, but it's still cool to get a hollow every now and then. Of course, you're guaranteed one per box.
I'm not buying anything more until.
Hopefully I still got my double R
I got my
somewhere.
playset and my promos.
Parting with Rin, and then the regular. Geez, I forget what he does. Oh, okay. When you got 3 or more stock, he's a 0 reverser, so he's pretty good.
No. 5.
So I got about 4 more packs. So then we move on to the second box.
Why did you leave us?
I don't need Nori. He's pretty good. Or the combo with him is pretty good, I should say. And then the regular rare is Throbbing Soul Kire.
What?
I was thinking
I don't have anything like $1.
Origin Shot. And then the regular rare is Saber, the Magic Power Unleashed. Brainstorm, very good card.
My bestest Mexican friend, you have $1 for you.
2 packs left.
I only got 5. Oh, I hate having so much money. Oh.
Gordius Wheel. And then there that is, the double R King of All Creation Archer. My opinion, the best card in the set. I've gotten him off like 3 times already. He does work. He's awesome. So far, I mean, looking through all my double R's and the SR, I'm very happy with this box. This should be a normal rare, but we'll see.
Yeah, eventually.
Alright, so another Gordius Wheel, and then yeah, normal rare. It's Qoheleth. He's pretty good himself. Alright, I'll be back soon with the second box, and we'll get that one going as well.
I'll talk to my bank and
Oh, you took my keys. I can't open this shit.
Hey, he stole them. He stole your car. He's here.
No.
He's not really here.
No. I don't really care. This shit's in there.
4 or 5 bucks max. You'd think it'd be more.
Alright, box number 2.
Oh shit.
Thanks. Thanks for that. Alright, box number 2. Pop this shit out. Got a mini rider again, my second one. Hopefully that doesn't tell me what I'm going to get in this box because my first box was only okay. So let's see here. Again, I'm just going to go through the climaxes and the rares. So, very good climax, and then another Magical Power Unleashed Saber.
I'll probably just end up getting them from the collector's store. They might come for $2.
Prank of Fate, and then my last rare from the last box. Like I said, he's pretty good.
$1 is some, and if I'm buying 8 decks,
8 decks of what?
You save yourself about 40 cents. That's in the game.
Bomb between his king and his retainer, and then the single R
at the end of
Lancer
the
back up.
shattering my dreams.
I did the math, but someone tried the math for me. Because they were down here, and they're close to the you probably have 15. I'm like, alright, the gas will cost you to get here.
Excalibur, and then the regular R caster.
Down here.
Again, I might make a deck out of him. I don't know
And
yet.
I'm like, for you, it's definitely 40 cents.
Yeah,
At least.
if that.
So, I'm like, okay, how would you pay you $6 a gas? Go there.
Sorry, VA. And then my third, Kiritsugu, Belief in Justice. First box I got him in a hollow, so if I get another hollow of him, I basically just got the same box I did last time. I'll be a little disappointed, but not really. We'll see. Excalibur, and then the card I got the hollow of. What are we talking about?
Wait, no, I'm not running this shit.
The 8th content, and then my rare being the single R Kota Benakire. He's alright.
Because then we have 7-11 coming out of 19. The only one I'm excited about is Saber.
Yeah. And the regular R.
I don't care about the other ones. I just want Saber.
Lancer, that's pretty decent.
Ellis versus Lola, Cuban. Give him my stamp.
You gotta actually play, dog.
I don't even know how to play this game.
Weiss?
Draw, pass turn, draw.
That's the, if you have 3 more climaxes, you reverse. It's pretty good.
What's this freaking
He's probably gonna be like a $30 card.
Woo! Yeah, he's
I mean, he's used in Revengers.
That Asuna promo will probably be a lot.
Yeah, that too. Parting with Rin.
Other Asuna?
Suicide Arkire, or Kuritsugu I should say, he's really good, like I said it before. Only seen one double R, that was the Kuritsugu. We'll see. I really hope I didn't get the same box as last time. Origin Shot and the double R waiver. So this is a different box, so that's good.
Is that it?
No.
Is that it? Is that it?
No.
How many more?
Like 10?
Oh, that sucks.
I guess.
How many packs do they come in?
20 in a box.
That's less than Vanguard.
Well,
But that's not
they come with more cards than Vanguard though.
How many?
8 per pack. So you get 160. I think Vanguard you get like 10 less, something like that. Gordius wheel, and there's my third King of All Creation Archer. I'm very excited about that. Climax is weird.
Why do you like Weiss Schwarz?
Well, like I said, I got these, for credit. So,
Why do you want so many boxes?
when you buy multiple boxes of Weiss, you can make multiple decks. So,
Oh yeah, they're divided by color, aren't they?
for the most part,
I guess you can do different crap with different.
yeah, like you generally only do like a 2-color deck per deck. And, I already made a red yellow, I can make a green blue if I really wanted to, green yellow. So, but I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet.
This thing is confusing to me.
I think you would like it. There's a third King of Ideal Saber. She's alright. That means I'm not going to get... Actually, that's all my double R's. I just have a hollow now. Parting with Rin. And there's a Maya. She's not terrible. She's not good, but she's not terrible. Alright, so 3 packs. Hopefully I get my hollow. Maybe a sign. Sign would be interesting. My first sign. Rare. Is that a normal rare? Gaiderg. Oh, there's my SR. Beautiful King of Night Saber. I'm actually very excited about that. That's awesome. She's a pretty decent card and alt art and hollow. So very happy about that. Alright, last pack.
We got officially sanctioned this week for the Vanguard. They're going to be sending us the case security for
Origin Shot
we can now do
and
actual Vanguard events.
Saber End of Rain. I like
Get
her.
a big enough turnout.
Alright, let me get all the rares out and then I'll show you everything at the end. Alright, so yeah, this is what I got all my packs, double R and up anyway. So the hollow here, 2 waiver, 2 archer, which makes 3 for me here. Very excited about that because he's a monster. 3 of these total for me, 3 of these total for me. And only 1 here. I'm actually kind of sad because the best rider in the set, the double R rider, I only got 1 of him total. So I'm a little sad about that because I really was looking forward to making something with him. But just to show you the alt art for her. This is the normal art, the rare art, and then this is the SR art. So they really go all out. It's really I like this game. Make it look pretty, and they give you awesome art with it too. But yeah, let's go Qoheleth, Imagineyourgoddess. Just look forward for more content soon. Things are going to look slow because school started for a lot of us, going back to work. But yeah, just be patient with us. We'll get everything done as soon as we can. We'll talk to you guys next time.